Hey, Steve here. You want to make an income with affiliate marketing? Then you need the right market. You need the right offer. You want to know who's behind the business. The rule of 72. What is that? You need the cheapest, fastest, and simplest system. And you want to grow faster than any other business. Guys, girls, if you're not promoting digital products online, you're missing out on the greatest wealth transfer there is. What's going on in the world? It's amazing. Look, you just have to start this. Make a decision, guys. Change your life. Put a lot more money in your pocket. I'm not kidding you. I've heard some big numbers just from people that out of nowhere. So you can do it too. Get to the link in the description. Click on it. Watch the video, guys. Get in tune with some of the real world income has got to offer besides that 9 to 5 job. All right, get to that link in the description. Cheers.